Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip ke Sorkar kadang ni ke Jingthmu ban Shna ke Surok 4 lane na do Polo ban penyesok ban New Shillong Township. Ban ke jing ekran kaliya cekmat ban kitrai jaka ban kiwe ke dan bentalang ha ke ni ke kam. Ban le kemilenti besan ke Sorkar kan sayo nok ban sedang ban Shna ke ni ke Surok 4 lane na Polo shado New Shillong Township.
But yeah, one of the major ones is the 4 lane, which will take place from the CRPF camp in Polo, just after the bridge, and go through some of the forest areas and even the Milim Forest Reserve areas, and connect to Belfont, and then from Belfont all the way to Mopat, and then all the way to Secretariat. So we do expect that. We have had multiple levels of discussion at multiple agency level as well as individual levels. Whether it's with the individuals who own land there, or whether it's with the Hima Milim, or whether it is even with the police, the school there that is there, the in Golf Links as a school run by the police department. So all different agencies and individuals and stakeholders, multiple rounds of discussion have taken place. We are have almost closed the discussions with almost everyone. There are one or two that are still left, but not major challenges. We have more or less come to some kind of an understanding. We just have to finalize the final details of it. So that will be the major connection. And as I said, that will be a 4 lane. It won't be 2 lane, it'll be a 4 lane. So we do expect that that would really help in the overall connectivity to the new secretariat and to the new Shillong area.